Stop worrying about who or what you don't have, because what you have left is all you need to rebuild. What you have left is going to surpass what you feel like you've lost. Your mind can't even conceptualize what you're going to be able to do with what you have right now. Because a lot of times we tell ourselves that we're not ready, that we don't have what we need, that we don't have the skill, we don't have the resources, we don't have the connections. But let me tell you this, you can start from the bottom, you can start from behind and catch back up and surpass those who thought that you weren't gonna make it without them. So I want to encourage you to pick up your head, take a step back, take some time for yourself to plan and strategize, and get ready for your breakthrough. Get ready for your next. Realize that worrying isn't going to change anything. Getting in the bed and pulling the covers over your head, that is not going to change anything. I've struggled with depression. I've struggled with grief. I've struggled with loss. I've struggled with being mistreated, but I'm still here. I've been in poverty, but I'm still here. I've considered suicide, but I'm still here. I've lost babies, but I am still here. And why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you because I'm not talking about something I've read in a book. Like, I've lived this. No, I am living this. And guess what? In spite of everything I've been through, I'm still blessed. In spite of everything you've been through, you're still blessed. And God is not finished with you. So you may as well pick yourself up. Thank Him for what He's done. Thank Him in advance for what He's going to do, and go and get everything that belongs to you.